today. The first step is going to be marking where I will be cutting all the wood, and then I will wait until I get my right square that helps for cutting the wood, which I ordered. So once that comes in, I'll start cutting. Hey guys, so I have my workbench that I created. Works great. I added some of these little tiny things to push the wood against for when I'm cutting. Then I added some screws back here because as I was doing stuff and needing the pencil, it would keep falling down when I would put it on the side and move wood around. So I put that there with some screws to hold the pencil up and make it easily accessible. And I can put the ruler on there. I have my plastic square right now until I get a real carpenter square coming in. I ordered it. It should be in today or tomorrow. And then I made one because I needed it so it can hook onto the edge of the 2x4, and then I can push the saw against it and cut. And well, actually it works really well. Makes me think I don't even need one of those things, but it's handy to have, that's for sure, and it'll be a lot more easy to work with than a piece of wood. I have cut all of these pieces of wood there to there, and then I still have all these big ones to cut, and then also the very long 2x4s, and then that will be most of the cutting of the frame and the base, and then I'll have to put all that together. So yeah, let's get back to the time lapse. Hey guys, so I finished cutting all of the wood as you saw in the video. So I'm going to clean up all of the stuff here so that I can move and start building the project. And that is a wrap for day one. Didn't get as much done as I wished, but I did get the base done, so that's awesome, and measured and cut all the wood, so that's great. If you want to see the rest of the build, keep an eye out for the next episodes. Thanks.